So in today's lecture we are going to talk about how to find non-perfect square roots. It is usually easier to find perfect square roots just like the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 16 is 4, and even much higher powers just like the square root of 625 is equal to 25 and many more. However, many of us don't know how to find non-perfect square roots, and whenever these question appears in our exam we usually skip them or leave them, so making ourselves to lose marks which we can score easily. So here we have come up with a formula that will make you to find the square roots of non-perfect numbers easily. So here the formula is under root of x plus minus y is equal to under root of x plus minus y upon 2 times under root of x. So before starting we must know what is here x and what is y and what does plus minus mean. So we will understand the formula by considering example 1. Let's say I have to find the square root of 10. So 10 is a non-perfect square root. So here I am going to break 10 in two numbers that will add or subtract to become 10. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 here. I can either break 10 into 5 plus 5 because the sum 5 plus 5 is also equals to 10, or 3 plus 7, but one of our condition of the formula is that x must be a perfect square. So in this case we will going to break 10 in 9 plus 1. I can also break 10 in 16 minus 6 because 16 is a perfect square and 16 minus 6 is also equal to 10. However, we are going to take x a number that must be very near to 10. So here 9 is more near to 10 as compared to 16. So I have broken down 10 into 9 and 1, and the sum of the two numbers is equal to 10. Now I am going to apply formula on this term. So here in our formula it is under root of x plus y upon 2 times under root of x. Here our x is 9 and y is 1. I have simply substituted the terms in the formula to give our simplified fraction, that is 19 upon 6. Now I am going to find out the value of 19 upon 6 by using simpler division which we all must have learned in our junior classes. So here the value of 19 upon 6 becomes equal to 3.16. Now we are also going to verify our answer by using a calculator. That is, we have to find the under root of 10. So here I have put this in our calculator and you can see that the answer is 3.162. I have found it the approximate answer, that is 3.16, and is totally correct. So here my answer is totally correct, that is 3.16. Now we will consider example 2 to help us develop a better understanding of the formula. So here I have taken 40. Now we have to find square root of 40. So I have broken down 40 in 36 and 4. Here 36 is nearest to 40 and is also a perfect square. So our x becomes 36 and y becomes 4. We must always ensure that our x should be a perfect square, because here we have to put it in the formula, and in the formula x have a square root on itself, so it should be a perfect square. Now by substituting 36 and 4 in the formula, I have simplified the fraction to 6 plus 1 upon 3. As we all know that 1 upon 3 is 0.33, I have written 1 upon 3 as 0.33, and by adding both of them I have resulted in my answer, that is 6.33. Always remember that these answers are approximations of your solution and will not give you always the exact answer. Now example 3 will make clear every confusion in your mind. So here we have to find out the square root of 99. In this example we are going to use the subtraction form of the formula. So We can write 99 as 100 minus 1, as 100 is a perfect square and is nearest to 99. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Now we are going to substitute in the formula, that is under root x minus y upon 2 times under root of x. Here x is 100 and y is 1. Always note that x and y are separated from the under root, that is the square root. However, here square root is the part of the formula and is not on x. So, and the second thing which we have to remember is that in the formula we have used negative, so here we are also going to apply negative. Now I am going to simplify my expression, which becomes 10 minus 1 upon 20, and I am going to simplify it further by using division, that becomes 9.95. Here I am going to check my answer through my calculator, that is under root of 99, which becomes equal to 9.95 in 3 decimal place.